What's going on, my people? It's your boy Cash Cream, and welcome to another episode of Cream All Access as we take you behind the scenes with yet again another crash repair build. Now, this particular car made the headlines, or done its rounds on social media, should I say, because it broke the net coming out of a car wash, losing control and going straight into a derelict shop that was thankfully unused at the time. But the damage the car suffered was very extensive, and obviously, as you know, when it comes to crash repair jobs, there is no job too big or too small for us to deal with. Car came to us, we stripped it down, and we took care of the job. So the car was delivered to us, of course, but unfortunately our moron of a videographer has somehow lost that footage. The car was actually dropped right here off the recovery truck. We, not even me, he actually himself personally came and filmed the car on the truck being taken off, and then the car was dragged into the workshop. But thankfully what we do have is a car being pulled in, so you will get to see the extent of the damage. You'll see the step-by-step process of what the car went through to be put back to its original form of glory. But we're going to be going that extra mile with this job, because not only are we putting the car back to its original factory standard condition, we're going to be taking it that bit further by customizing the car with our full carbon fiber undersill kit. He's having the entire package that we have for the car. We're going to be replacing the bonnet and wings with our STL style conversion that we do for the car. We're going to be rewrapping the entire vehicle in a satin chrome orange from our friends at Tech Wrap. We're going to be painting the brakes in silver chrome, and at the same time we're going to be fitting and installing with a custom front boot install airlift suspension. So this car is going to be really transformed from what it used to look like before, which was quite nice. It was wrapped in satin chrome red before, with another body kit, but this time it's going to be completely stripped back, taken back to its original factory standard condition, repaired first, and then custom modified with our brand attached. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed tackling this repair. The best thing about the car was that once the car was actually repaired, we then obviously went out, done our tests, checking the car, making sure everything was okay in the car, and it was absolutely spot on. But the customer wanted that little bit more assurity, and had the car booked in with HRO who also came back and said they couldn't even tell the car had been in a car accident. And that was music to our ears. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And guys, peace and love. See you on the next one.
Glued the suspension legs back on.
Right, okay, so guys, we have repaired the chassis of the Lamborghini Huracan. Really happy with how it's turned out. It's a successful repair, of course, as expected. And if you come and have a look very closely, it's all just been prepped and made ready for a bit of seam sealer. Paul's going to come along and paint it. The chassis has been welded and repaired here as well. And everything lines up, which is the main thing. This still needs to be changed, as you can see it's damaged. But yeah, the wheel lines up, the gaps are perfect. Really happy with absolutely everything on it. Got no issues. So Chris is now going to remove this, and the next step would be to obviously get a bit of paint on there, get it looking how it should be, and then we can reassemble it all back up, get the airlift suspension on, because that's what the car's having now as well, which was the original part of the plan, but it's going to have airlift suspension, and we can start lining up the wings, the bonnet, which has already been done using OEM parts. But now we're going to be fitting our STL style carbon front wings, bonnet, and it's having the entire body kit, and it's going to be a full-on Edition Kream Lamborghini Huracan. Happy days.
love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knockin'. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang, think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on. I'm not selfish, I get on to put my mans on. Always greedy since the day I got my first safe. 5'7", but I'm 6'8" when I stand on the money pals. Need a money counter, I broke my thumb from thumbing down. Wifey on my line, she told me to dumb it down. Mama on my line, asking how I'm dumbing now.
Right, so that's the mirrors now, completely ready. They were dismantled, stripped, stalks were taken off, and in order to do that you've got to cut the wiring loom to run it through. Then they were painted, stalks wrapped, same colour as body, and now that's being soldered, all back in, all nice and professional, ready to go back on the car. Lovely.
You only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knockin'. Get out my way, I'm so unashamed. Throw it to my veins, like my 2K green or blue, I'm not into games. Focus on your player's face while I'm stacking change. We throw out what you got on your whole crew late. Every time I drop it, knock you make the school face. I can't stand to be around people who are two-faced. I can't stand to do some business if you're too late. I beat the beater defeated, I beat the beater mistreated, I beat the odds deleted. On top, I'm ODing. No rock star with these leather pants, I'm ACDCing. When I die, I bet they love me, but hate me when I'm breathing. I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, that's rubbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knockin'.
Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close, we gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, every other night, another dollar getting made. Every other night, started.
Right, I am really happy with that. So as you saw, we launched it first. Car launched perfectly fine. Drove it in a hard straight line. Car drove perfectly straight, and yeah, happy with that. Job well done. The car is absolutely perfect.
I started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm gon' want another slave. I had that trying to like too many, but you getting tamed. See this girl running, so I took a private plane. He pussy nigga like it when I'm working on my aim. Drip too hard, trying to the car.